everyone, welcome back to my channel. I've been seeing this challenge tag float along the internet where for some reason you get polymer clay on the back of your palettes. Just kidding, it's the I do someone else's makeup tutorial challenge. So I decided I'm gonna do a tutorial from Willam, my favorite and best drag queen that ever got kicked off of a season of Drag Race. He's one of my favorite people. So I'm gonna do his makeup tutorial, which he calls a filthy sunset. So it looks like he starts with a primer. I'm gonna skip the primer. I'm gonna use some concealer. Just because I don't know where my primer is. Awesome. Now I'm gonna do that on my other eye. And of course we have to do it messy, because that's just the kind of person that Willam is. I believe his term is slopobotomous. First thing that he did was take a regular shadow brush. I'm taking this Real Techniques brush, and he went in with like this kind of coral color, but I'm not really sure considering the lighting in this video is super yellow, so I'm trying to do this with slightly better lighting. Now I don't have as much real estate between my nose and the corner of my eyes like Willam does. So I'm applying this without my glasses on, so. I believe the color he used is Grandma by OCC, and it was a cream color, but I don't have that. He took a bright pink. I'm gonna use this Beauty Treats palette and use this really bright pink that's in here. This Beauty Treats palette is great. I got it from Five Below. It's got like this like gem and the holograms kind of shape going on, so I'm just gonna bring this all the way out to my temples basically and back in under my eye. Except for he actually used the stippling brush for this. So that's what I'm gonna do. And he probably used a stippling brush because he used a cream product, but I'm not going to. There. I want the genuine effect of using a stippling brush for your eyeshadow. Okay, he poked himself in the eye, but I'm not gonna do that. And we're gonna take the color all the way up over here. Instead, get some in your hair. Ow! Cool. Don't use a stippling brush near your eyes, even if you watch your favorite drag queen do it. Take a highlight shade. I don't really have an iridescent highlighting shade, so I'm gonna use Bump by Urban Decay, which is a nice chalky white. And I bet you can't guess where the name Bump comes from. It's a reference to the cocaine. These Urban Decay shadows are like kind of super powdery, and I'm kind of really disappointed in this palette. Not really gonna touch my eyebrows too much. But the shape of my shadow is gonna be a little bit different because his eyebrows are like this and mine go like this. This really draws attention to the fact that it's a dude. Perfect, looks just like him. So looks like he's taking like a dark navy color. Again, I can't tell because his lighting's terrible. I look great. So I'm just gonna do some stuff that seems to be what he's doing. He goes up into the crease like this. And this gives you the 4 a.m. at IHOP look. It's okay if it's a mess, we have makeup wipes. Got this like really tall pointy shape up here. I can't actually tell based on his lighting if he just used blue or if he used black too. Yeah, I think that's the color I'm going for. You can take it from daytime hooker to nighttime hooker. Beautiful. We're gonna go under the eyes and smoke that out more, I guess. Now we're gonna take liquid eyeliner and line the tops of the eyes. And the lines don't have to matter because, like Willam said, nobody cares. So the point of this is to make your fake eyelashes blend in more, and that's going to be the funniest part of the video, is me trying to put on fake eyelashes. Willam added some glitter, so I'm going to add some glitter. None of my stuff is like super name brand because I'm a broke bitch. I'm going to put some of that in the cap. Most people use like a glitter glue for this, but since I only have fake eyelash glue, I'm going to use that. I'm going to put that right up here in the highlight. And I'm just going to pat that on with a Q-tip on top of the eyelash glue. And I'm going to pat that on my eyelid. Oh, ah! The fumes from this eyelash glue is very, very strong. Ooh, that is something else. My goodness. And you're supposed to glue on individual lashes with this? It would take decades and your eyeballs would shrink and fall out by that point in time. There, now we have some sparkle. So since we've wiped this off down here, and I'm going to go in with my concealer. This is really crappy concealer from Maybelline. And I'm going to do this because I have a very flat face. So I'm going to just do the concealer triangle thing. Then I'm going to take a knockoff beauty blender because, you know, can't all have that brand name life. And blend out the concealer. And then we're going to go in with the foundation. So Willam uses an airbrush foundation. I can't afford that. I'm going to put some on my wrist because I forgot the back of my hand has some shit all over it. And so he takes a makeup wipe and cleans off his lips, which I'm also gonna do. I don't like the foundation lip look either. Makes your lips look crusty. So you just want to put like some highlighting stuff where you want to highlight your face. So I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and just kind of blend that into my foundation. And he's taking his finger and blending under here. This is actually kind of light, so what I'm going to do is use the darker contour that I have. This one. I've like never contoured my face, so I don't know what I'm doing. Take a big brush and blend this contour out. I don't really own blush because I don't really use blush. I use the same color from Urban Decay. And I'm just gonna put that here. Very like 80s blush, I guess. Okay, and then he takes a purple pencil and he like smudges out underneath his eyes. And the color's called Trash. I went to Sephora to try and find that NARS stick that he used and I couldn't find it. Also gonna curl my eyelashes. The sucky thing about my eyelashes is that like they're kind of dark on the roots, but they're really blonde on the tips. So it just kind of looks like I have really short eyelashes when I don't. This is an e.l.f. eyelash curler, not a Kevin Aquan one. And Willam puts on mascara. I'm just gonna use this L'Oreal one. Because I'm probably also gonna mess up this mascara trying to put on false eyelashes because I am absolute garbage at that. Did I not grab hair tweezers? So I guess I don't have tweezers like I thought I did. And these don't want to come off the card. Okay, here we go. Oh, there's a big chunk of glue from the package on them. Glue, whatever. And we're gonna let that get tacky. I'm gonna try and get these on my eyelid. Oh my god, the fumes from this glue are awful. Seriously, do you see how red my eye is getting? It's seriously burning my eyes. Holy Jesus. So let's see, we're gonna just go up on top of the eyelid and stick these down. So yeah, don't buy the individual lash glue from Duo if you don't want your eyes to water. Okay, and we're gonna just go in with the eyelash curler. Fuse our real eyelashes and fake eyelashes together. Oh, Jesus Christ. How do people on the internet make this look so easy? So I'm going to add more black, to cover up the lash band, and also to cover up any part of this that my eye's welling up with tears managed to wipe off. My left eyelash isn't staying on. I can feel it. So Willam didn't do a whole lot to his brows, but he is kind of filling them in. I'm also terrible at filling in my brows. My eyebrows normally are flawless, so I don't tend to fill them in. I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna use this color, my contour color. It's pretty similar to my natural eyebrow shade. And I'm just gonna try and give these a little bit more of a defined shape because I took an eyebrow razor to my eyebrows the other day and I kind of trimmed them too far in towards my nose. How those look? Are they at least sisters? Girl, my eyelash is coming up. So he's using a dark red lip. So I'm gonna use this red lip pencil from NYX. And I'm going to outline the lips I don't have. Oh, that's a little darker than I thought. It's as good as I'm gonna get it. Okay, so other than the fact that this eyelash isn't gonna stay on no matter what I do, I don't think the look turned out so bad. Now that we have everything on our face,
whole shitload of dye.
after all this is the hair. Now, Willam likes a full beach wavy teased kind of wig most of the time with a root. And that's exactly what my hair looks like right now. And looking like a hot mess. Overall, I like it. I think this look actually turned out pretty good. Other than the eyelashes and my eyes burning thing. But I thought this would be a cool look to try out. And I figured it would be interesting to do one that's not from Beauty Guru. So this is my final look, and I hope you enjoyed my failure of trying to put makeup on. It's a pretty casual look. You could wear it to the office, or, you know, babysitting, or going to pick up your kids from school, or, you know, any kind of like normal event. Oh, and I'm honestly surprised that orange, pink, and navy blue would turn out looking like this, but thanks so much for watching.